Everyone, so this is Ariana again from MDM e-commerce store, and what I want to show now is just a quick view of threading the machine. This is a machine that I couldn't find a manual online for, and if you are new to vintage or brother machines, I just want to be able to show you how this machine is threaded. Okay, so here we have the spool of thread. We have this thread guide right here. Then we have this one right here. The thread goes through the hole. Then it comes down, and under and over the tension guide, you basically bring the thread forward and then back so that it's resting on the spring. Then you bring the thread up to the uptake lever here. Then you bring the thread down. It's kind of stuck over here. Let me open this door so that it's a little more visible. So then you bring the thread down, and there is a thread guide right here. Okay, there is another thread guide right by the needle guard, by the needle bar right here. And you thread the machine from left to right. The needle sits flat side to the right, so you thread left to right. Okay, hope that's helpful.